Hi, so it's Faith, and for this video, I'm going to be making a makeup tutorial, and this is my first official makeup tutorial after my first video. That one was like my attempt to follow a video tutorial, like a makeup tutorial, but now I'm making a makeup tutorial. Wow, I've been practicing a lot. I've been buying a lot of things online, and yeah, I've been trying out some stuff, and yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah. So this one is from The Ordinary, their high adherence silicone primer. I'm gonna be using this one, and it's really hard to do makeup if you really have a bad eyesight and you don't have contact lens, because I can't see anything. So from time to time I put on my eyeglasses just so I could see what I'm doing. And I bought this foundation, and it is from Etude house. And we're just going to blend this. So I actually got this from the mail today, and this concealer is from the Saem, and it's their Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. So we're just gonna try that out. And it's actually my first time using this type of concealer, but we're just gonna try it out. So let's just put some here, and some of the spots that we want to hide. And now that's done, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And I actually bought some makeup brush from BYS, and I bought it, so I have this now. And it's a lot different from what I was using way back. It's more soft, and I feel like it doesn't irritate my skin anymore, or like that much. And I will be using this eyebrow gel. And now I'm going to set my face. I'm gonna use this final powder. It's from Nichido, and it's their Creamy Glow. So we're just gonna place it. Now I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna attempt to at least do that properly. I'm gonna use this Too Cool Art Class. Use this. So this brush is from Happy Skin, and we're just gonna use this to contour my nose. So next we are going to do the eyeshadow. This is from Beauty Glazed. So I'm gonna use this one first. I'm just gonna put some here, and then I'm gonna use this one, the shade, to put some here, and then this one just gonna use this again to blend. And I'm gonna use this to get some of this. And I'm just going to maybe use this one and put it in the middle. And I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna use this Dr. Mascara Fixer. I just bought it, and it's my first time using it. To be honest, I have never seen my eyelashes this long. Wow, I'm freaking out. I'm gonna use this. So it's originally like a stamp eyeliner, but I don't want to use this stamp because I think it's too thick for me. So I'm gonna use the other tip, which is this one, to just draw some eyeliner. This is from Vibrant Company, Jinkee line, and this is the Knockout Cheek. So I think I'm just gonna finally, I'm gonna put on some highlighter. I will use this Glow to Go by Essence. For this look, I think I'm gonna be using this one. Some here. For my lips, I'm gonna be using this lipstick from Romand, and this is the shade number 2. So this is my final look. So I hope you like this tutorial, and yeah, please subscribe to my channel, please like the video. See you on my next video. Bye!